Hi, it's Albert from Reshape. Today I'll show you how to initialize the device. It's a simple process, so don't worry. It's easier than it might seem. Before using the device, make sure all the emergency stop buttons are disengaged. Once the device is ready, it will show a ready to initialize state on screen. Before initializing, make sure that both carousels are mounted correctly. Ensure that the knob is on tight. Ensure that the output carousel has at least one magazine mounted. We generally recommend mounting as many as possible, but for now we'll just do one. Next, we press the primary button to begin the initialization. The device will take about 30 seconds to complete its initialization, and may perform a series of movements to purge any remaining fades. Once it's ready, you'll see the green ready state on the screen.